Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place. Create or use a verified Google account and confirm your business name and address. This prevents future blocks. Once done, prepare product data. Clear images, concise descriptions, SKU, price, and shipping info. Make a choice now. Connect a store platform, Shopify, WooCommerce, to Google Merchant Center, or list via Google Business Profile for local pickup. This first setup reduces friction later and lets you submit products quickly. Now you connect the store to Google Merchant Center and publish your product feed. Verify your domain with an HTML tag or Search Console and claim it so Google trusts your listings. Then create a structured feed, CSV, Google Sheets, or API, ensuring titles, GTIN, accurate pricing, and availability are complete. Make sure you configure shipping rates, tax settings, and returns policy before submitting. After uploading, check diagnostics. Resolve disapprovals by fixing required attributes so your items can be approved for shopping and free listings. Launch by enabling free listings or creating a shopping campaign. Link Merchant Center to Google Ads and Analytics so you can track traffic and conversions. Once live, monitor diagnostics and performance daily the first week. Look for spikes in disapprovals or policy issues. If a product is rejected, inspect price and availability mismatches, missing GTIN or policy text in descriptions, correct the feed and resubmit. If problems persist, use Merchant Center support and review account-level policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.